This is a short video of my trails in my backyard. You got like a little hill right here. Just like a little clearing right there. Got a berm right there. Little jump. Another little jump right there. Got a creek. Berm right there. Another little jump right here. And it goes that way towards the entrance. Then this is like just a little hill climb right there. Little bridge. Like a little hole that I just go through. Trail. Little small hill climb right there going up to my house. Then this little berm, it's like a hill. Another berm. It's just a straight area right here, a little jump. Like real little jump right there. And then a really big berm right here. Goes all the way up there. And then we're back there. And then here's a little creek right there that we ride through. I'm gonna go back around and show you the other trail. Alright, we're back into the entrance by the creek. A little jump right there. We're going to turn this way now. That's the entrance up there. Just a little field. A little clearing that me and my friends cleared out for a pit bike track we're going to make. Some little trails right there. That's the bridge to go into the field. There's a really big field over there. That's a TP we're working on. There's a big creek over there. I'll show you it. Beast Rider right through there in the field. Then there's decent sized hill climb right here. Then that little hill climb going up to my house, and we're back where we started. Thanks for watching, subscribe.